wired headset, keep that in mind. It's pretty modular, right? One of the big things I wanted was a wire that removed off the back. So like I can pack it up and I don't have to always have the wire dangling because the wire plugs right in. At any time, if you have the older Beats headphones, you'll reminisce about how that works. The other thing that I really liked is the microphone is the same way. So it pops down, but it can actually also pull right off the rig. And it's detachable, which I thought was pretty nice. And when you pop it up, it actually disconnects and mutes itself, which I really like. And there's actually a volume control knob right on the device itself. So
wait, so that is, for those on audio, can you kind of explain where that is on the device?
Yes. So on the headphone jack piece that would normally plug into your controller or the side of your PC, what is that, 8 inch? Is that eighth
yeah,
inch?
it's an 1/8 inch.
So it's the 8 inch headphone jack. On the other side of it is a knob that rotates. And you can actually adjust the volume right there. It doesn't have an independent mic control, unfortunately, but it is the overall volume of the actual headphones. Headphones sound really, really good to me. And they're actually Dolby Atmos certified and come with the free license for Atmos on 360 or on Xbox One, and across PC. And then I don't think the PlayStation supports Atmos to date, but maybe when it does, it'll have no problem supporting it. The other thing that I really liked, and I forgot to show on the actual cable, is on the other side of that knob, there's actually a small rubber piece that actually pulls off. Almost imagine kind of like your earbuds cover. What this does, and you can see it almost looks like a small little earpiece. It's actually form fitted for the Xbox, and they give you another one that's form fitted for the PlayStation. Full transparency, it does not make it that easy to jump to device to device. And when I plug it into the PC or the Mac, I just take the thing off altogether, because it adjusts to the curve of the controller. But I was pretty impressed with it from that perspective as well.
Awesome. Go check that out.